We'll guide you through how to turn on or off incognito mode on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. With incognito mode turned on, this means your browsing data isn't going to be saved on your device, which you may want. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done, and we'll guide you through turning it off as well. So to get started, we are going to be using Chrome. So mine's at the bottom. Yours may be in the Google folder, but you can swipe up and search for it at the top. Then what you can do is you can come to the top right and you want to go and find the three dots and tap there. You should then go down the list and find the option for new incognito tab. So tap there and you've now gone incognito, and we can go and read this through and understand what Chrome won't save. After you finish with it, what you can do is go and press the tabs button in the top right. You can switch back to the normal mode by tapping that there, but it will still be open. So you can go and close it like so, and that will then go and take you back to the normal browsing mode. And you can go and get using it. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more. I look forward to helping you get in the future with more how-tos like this. Consider subscribing and liking the video.